y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and today, do my mouth look white? It does a little bit. I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from Arabella hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is the wig right here. So this is a curly chestnut, dark brown, HD lace 13x4 closure wig. This is in deep wave and it's pre-plucked. So this is what it looks like. And this is 180 density. So this is what the wig looks like. It is like a dark chestnut brown, super pretty. I really love the color. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So there aren't any combs in this wig. Usually wigs will have combs. This one doesn't have any combs. It has the lace here. It has the place for an elastic band, but I think maybe either the elastic band fell off or didn't come on it. But yeah, there's no combs at the back or anything like that. So this is just a wig that you slide on and go. So let's go ahead and get started installing. So I just took off my bonnet. I really want to try installing this wig without using a wig cap, even though it's a frontal wig, and usually frontal wigs I use wig caps. I just want to do it without it and see what it looks like. But this is what it looks like if I just slide it on the head. It says it is pre-plucked, and I did not pluck this hairline at all. But I will say, if you like a little bit of a thinner hairline, then I definitely recommend plucking it some more. You can see like right here that it is plucked a little bit for you. But if you prefer more plucking, you definitely can do that. I just didn't pluck it because I just wanted to, really I was just impatient and I didn't feel like it, and I just wanted to go ahead and install it. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use a wig cap for this install. I'm just gonna install it like this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pull this up, and I'm gonna cut out the ear tabs. I noticed that this wig comes down pretty far on each side, so it looks like I'm gonna have to be cutting off like a good bit of hair for it to fit right, or like fit comfortably around my ears. All right, perfect. So that fits comfortably. So the glue that I'm using for this install is the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. All right, so now I'm gonna pull this down. And then before I wrap my edges, I'm just gonna take out these little pieces right here that I use for my sideburns when doing my baby hairs. Okay. And then I'm just gonna take my Wonder Bond spray, and I'm gonna spray along my hairline, and particularly here, like, because I never glue this down, clearly because I have a whole bunch of hair right here because of my sideburns. And then I am going to let this sit for a few minutes. All right, so now it's time to cut off the lace. And to do so, I'm using two things, small scissors and these big jaggedy scissors. Like, as you can like see here, the edges of this are jagged. I got these from Amazon. I'll link these scissors below if you're interested in using them. But yeah, I just used the small scissors first to cut off like the larger chunks. And then I'm going to use these scissors to get closer to my hairline. I didn't spray the lace tint. Now I'm just taking my comb, doing my part. And I'm gonna pluck this because the part is not thick at all. Well, it's not. This right here, so it can cover my hair. My Eco Gel, and I'm gonna swoop my baby hairs. So now I'm just gonna roll this down and use my wax stick just along the edges. And my free spray. And lastly, I'm just going to define these curls. So this is a deep wave. So I'm just gonna take my spray bottle. And this hair is so soft, but I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and some like moisturizer and just like define these curls. this is what the curls look like wet. But I'm just gonna let them dry a little bit. I may use my diffuser. Okay. And again, I wanted to wear this more as a flip over that just happens to have a middle part. But this is cute. And we are almost finished. One more thing that I want to do. It's always one last thing. Every time I think I'm done, it's always something else. But the last thing that I want to do for real is cut some layers in the front, because this ain't doing nothing for my face. So I'm just gonna take these and cut this. I always start longer and then work my way shorter, but I do want to make sure they're at least the same length on each side. Just take like that much hair. But voila. So this is the finished final look. Mind you, even though it's a middle part, like I can still do a whole flip over thing, but I just want to show the middle part first. So this is what it looks like. It is nice and fluffy and full and literally everything that a curly wig should be. It is nice and soft. I don't have any issues like with shedding or anything like that. Like this is just literally a great wig. It does everything that it needs to do. The hair is hairing, so yeah. Like, love this. And do it like this. And I didn't even pluck the front. Like, this is all them. I just put the wig on. I didn't bleach anything. I didn't pluck anything. I didn't even use a wig cap. I just put it on and did my baby hairs and defined the curls a little bit. And here we are. And if you don't want it like as fluffy as this is, you don't have to diffuse it. I just like a really full, fluffy look from time to time. But it really just depends on my mood, honestly. So if you're looking for like a brown color for fall, this is definitely that wig. The color is really beautiful, and on top of that, the hair is so soft, and I absolutely love that. So here's the back again. It's just so thick. But yeah, you guys, all the information for this hair is in the description box below. If you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. And that's it for this video. Adios, till next time.